Alright, Teresa Salute, and I do welcome for Pidgin. After match talk, how you say, I beg, if you know, say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Leicester City 1 and Chelsea 3. And we get Oga who say, we'll be like, we're going to get Chelsea fan make on. Tell us about how you see this performance. Oga who say, you see that people they complain since the Chelsea know if they score goal, but for this match, they score 3, carry 3 points, come up for the match. How you see Chelsea performance away today against Leicester? I still tell you now, winning and winning. We get 3 points. But the performance, still they underperform. We'll just be honest. Don't really lie about and say, we never come back to form. I just see individual brilliance and I play this game today. When you look this game, even from Dortmund game, even from Leeds game they come self, where did they make team they compatible? Chelsea never feel get am. One, whenever they mark ball, the space is too much. All our opponents must press us. So when you look where we take place well, and I just the individual brilliance say the difference between we and Leicester and the kind of quality that we get. So Leicester not get time. If not, Leicester was a better team. But as how we don't win 3 points for us. So and next game matter. So to you as a Chelsea fan, you know they see any improvement so far. The team win against Leeds, they win against Borussia Dortmund. Now they don't win against Leicester. You know they see any improvement for these 3 matches when they don't win? Improvement where it is not the individual performances where they see so far. Not as a team. Chelsea don't play as a team. You know, when you see team like Arsenal now, among the stars, you see the team play. Man, you see the team play. Even Mayu, you compare Mayu player now individually, they're not really too good. But this their Ten Hag, don't manage bring form team, you know, don't form engine now with the team. So now what you see they lack, not be team performance we see, yes. Now just individual player, I too good, okay, man, I'll do my best. That's for us, say play as a team, we never play am. Our pass is not the we not people over say 2 minutes. More pass 20 touches. Never no go fit happen with this Chelsea now at the moment. So what just happen now we say I think the players just feel like maybe they up their game small. But say improvement as a team, the team never gets on yet. So for this performance, which player you go point say now this person I play past all the rest Chelsea player where you give your own man of the match? Which player you go point? And Koulibaly and Enzo Fernandez. Kukwela still try, but Koulibaly, the guy from really improve. That's why I tell you, it's not performance. We look Koulibaly now, before does improve. But that will not mean say opponents when they press our defense. They say they press us, but as an individual player now, they try to make saves, they try to tackle, do some other things. But as a team now, we never join. So Koulibaly and Enzo Fernandez, they see and say yes, they are formed the show, say they don't improve. But look at for the midfield setting now. Why you going to watch football last? Or when you watch football last, just go lost midfield to a team like Leicester now. Not they happen. I'm going to say as a team, whenever they work, watch they play, you know they go. So they play, you know they go. So at the moment, I just individual brilliance help us, not really as a team. The coach never really work well to me. But winning are still winning. We still happy so we don't get the 3 points. So with all this winning now, because normally before you don't talk, say you for like see make another manager come. But with these three wins when the manager don't get now, you don't think say he still deserves more time, join this based on the performance for the last 3 games. You don't think say the coach deserve more time? You know what about football, no matter how coach Paul reach, say they get result. Say they get a result. Because you as a owner, you spend a time. So that's just happen. But I know say if now real team with they play now like Madrid, like Man U, like Arsenal, they go bastardize us very well. Me, I know that one at the moment. So the coach yet never really deserve to be Chelsea coach. But in the talk now, what are they now? Say they complain and say the squad self too many. They get them. So at the waste time season end, look he say he wants know how he go perform for the upper season. That's what I just hope for. But looking at it at the moment, the coach, the impact where we expect from the coach never really show for the team performance. That's what I see. All right, now, guys. Thank you. People now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.